Hi everybody, in this video I will show you some things to do in Excel. Actually I have this list of things to do, so let's get started. The first one says copy the first 500 registers to a new page. So I have this document. Now I'm going to copy the 500 first. So I need to select the first 500, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. I think this is pretty easy, and Ctrl V. Actually I have everything, but we need to add a new paper. Okay, the second step is how many sales dealings were done on February 22nd. Okay, to do this we need a function. So to know exactly the date, we need to use this function. In Spanish is contar C, the name of the column and exactly the date. After that we're going to know how many sales we have in February 22nd. Okay, the third step is search the 5 maximum and the 5 minimum sales prices. Okay, to do this we need to select the column and select format conditional or format conditional. After that we need to click rows and for values superior and less and 10 superiors. Okay, we need to say 5 and put the color that we want of the table. After that we're going to know the 5 maximum. To know the less, we need to do the same but less, and we need to put 5 and different color. Now we have the 5 maximum and the 5 minimum sales prices. The fourth step is estimated 10% of commission of each seller dealing. So to do this, we need the function again. We need to multiply exactly the same table times 0.1, and now we have the result. To have with every register we need to scroll down in the corner until the end. Now we have the 10% of commission. The fifth step is calculate the number of dealings that were done between May and August. As you can see, it's very similar to the second step, how many sales dealings were done on February 22nd, but this time we have 2 dates. And we need to use this function, contar C conjunto, and we need to put May and August with the exactly the table, well, in this case column. Okay, it's very easy. And now we have the number of dealings. Okay, the next step is calculate the number of dealings that were done by each seller. Okay, I have this table. Okay, how can we do this? We need to put every name of the sellers here, and we want to know the number of dealings. So to do this, we need to use the function contar C, put the column and comma, and we need to put the same name as we have in the column, and now we have the number of dealings. Okay, we need to do this with every seller. The step 7 is calculate the total amount of the commission of each seller. We need to go to the commissions. So to do this, we need to use the function sumar C, and it's like a conditional. If we have Carmen we're going to get the 10% of commission. It's very easy to explain this because I don't know, it's easy. And we need to do this with every seller. And now we have the commission. Okay. The step 8. Calculate the average of the sales made by each seller. The average is here. To do the average, we need to know the amount of the links divided by the number of the links. Okay, and now we have the average. We need to do this with each seller. Okay, if the total, the step 9, if the total amount of the sales of each seller exceeds 100 million, assign a 5% extra commission. Okay, to do this, where is? Okay, we have aquí the amount of the links. Now we have to use the function C. If amount of the links exceeds 100 millions, we need to multiply it for 0.05. Okay, and now we have the total commission. How can we do this? It's the sum of everything. It's very useful. Yeah. Now we need to do the last step that says create a table with the number of operations that were in each province. I have here a table with I have here a table with the province and I have the quantity, but we need to put the kind of operation and the province, right? After that, we need to use the function contarse conjunto. If we have Barcelona, we need to put venta. Okay, and now we have here the number. I think this is very easy. We need to do this with every table. Well, for example, here change to alquiler. Yeah, and I think it's everything. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next time.